All right, guys, I'm done. Engine's installed. It runs great. It doesn't run hot. It stayed at 190. I beat the piss out of it. I didn't even bother with street miles. Drove it around the block, checked it for leaks, took it to the shop, beat on it. This thing makes like 40 pounds of oil pressure at 1,000 roughly RPM idle. Super steady. The only time it jumps is if there's a surge, a light little surge in the idle. However, this engine wants a ton of initial timing, whereas my old engine, we ended up putting stiffer advanced curve springs, but that engine snapped up faster too, so it got past that whole point. So this engine is going to be much like my older tunes, where I would do a medium and a light spring, and that would help the RPM snap up. So there's still a little bit of tuning left, and it's going to be on the timing end, but I'm thinking I may just lock out the timing all together and just do that and say, fuck it. This motor runs good, clean install, again, no leaks. And it did take a little bit of tweaking, and I did make some distributor changes and some carburetor tune changes, but they seemed to favor the car pretty good. So for now, I'm going to sign off. I left the car at the shop. I brought the Bonneville back so I can leave it out in the driveway and then clean up later at some other point. So yeah, we'll let you guys go. Share, like, subscribe. There'll be some videos at the end here. Follow me on Instagram as Copper Cutlass, and we'll see you around. This job's done. We're gonna hit the track next weekend. I drove it to the shop. It runs pretty good. Pretty damn peppy for what it is. It's not my old motor, that's for sure. It's idling at about 1,000 right now. Still kind of dialing things in. But everything's pretty happy. Oil pressure's pretty good. Not too bad.